Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about retinol. Yes, retinol, the magic bottle, what many of you think. But retinol is often doing the opposite. It is making you look older instead of younger. So, what's happening? Is it a marketing scam or? Please listen to me well. I'm about to save your skin from the biggest retinol disasters I see every single day. You guys, I cannot believe what I'm witnessing out there. People are literally destroying their faces with retinol and they don't even know it. Just last week, I had a client, let's call her Jill, who came to me in tears. 42 years old, spent hundreds of dollars on retinol products, and her skin looked worse than when she started. Red, peeling, irritated mess. And you know what the problem was? She was doing everything wrong. But here's the thing that's going to shock you. Jill isn't alone. I see this train wreck happening every single day. Women in their 30s, 40s, and 50s who think they're being smart about anti-aging, but they're actually fast-tracking themselves to damaged skin. The skincare industry is feeding you lies about retinol, and I'm done staying quiet about it. They want you confused because confusion sells products. But today I'm going to tell you exactly what they don't want you to know. Trust me on this. By the end of this video, you're going to understand why 90% of people are using retinol completely wrong, and more importantly, how to be in that elite 10% who actually get the results they're promised. This is going to be a game changer for your skin. So stick with me because what I'm about to reveal will transform everything you thought you knew about retinol. Let me tell you what's really happening out there and brace yourself because this is going to make you angry. The number one mistake I see. People jumping straight into high-strength retinol like they're trying to win some kind of skincare Olympics. I had another client, Angela, 38 years old, who bought a 1% retinol serum because she thought stronger means better results faster. Within 2 weeks, her face looked like she'd been attacked by a swarm of bees. Swollen, red, burning. She actually had to take time off work because she was so embarrassed. But here's what makes me absolutely furious. The beauty influencers and even some so-called experts are telling you this irritation is normal. They call it retinol uglies, like it's some cute phase you have to go through. That's complete nonsense. And don't even get me started on the second massive mistake. Using the wrong type of retinol for your skin. You guys, retinoids are a family. There's retinol, retinaldehyde, retinoic acid, adipalene, tretinoin. They're all different. But everyone's treating them like they're identical twins. The third disaster. People are applying retinol to wet skin, mixing it with acids, using it during the day. I've seen it all. Last month, client told me she was putting retinol on in the morning under her makeup because that's when she remembered. Her hyperpigmentation got worse, not better. This is exactly why I created this channel. Someone needs to tell you the truth about what actually works, because clearly nobody else will. The lies stop here today. Now, let me blow your mind with something the skincare industry desperately doesn't want you to understand. Ready for this? There is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all retinol. None. Zero. Anyone telling you otherwise is either lying to you or completely clueless. Here's the secret they're hiding. Retinoids work differently for different skin concerns. And using the wrong category is like trying to fix a car engine with a hammer. It's not just ineffective, it's destructive. I learned this the hard way when I started my practice. I was recommending the same retinol to everyone. Dry skin, oily skin, acne-prone, mature skin, didn't matter. The results were, let's just say they weren't pretty. That's when I discovered the truth that changed everything. There are actually 5 distinct categories of retinol users, and each one needs a completely different approach. The retinol rookie. Never used vitamin A derivatives before. The dry skin sufferer. Needs moisture alongside active ingredients. The body neglector. Ignoring photo damage everywhere except the face. The acne fighter, dealing with breakouts at any age. The anti-aging optimizer, wanting maximum results for mature skin. And here's what's really going to shock you. Most people are in the wrong category. They're self-diagnosing based on their age or one skin concern, completely ignoring their skin's actual needs. Remember Angela from earlier? She thought she was an anti-aging optimizer because she was approaching 40. Wrong. She was actually a retinol rookie who needed the gentlest possible introduction. Once we fixed her category, her skin transformed in just 8 weeks. This categorization system is about to change your entire retinol game. All right, let's talk about the retinol rookies. And listen carefully because this could save you months of damaged skin and wasted money. If you've never used retinol before, or if you've tried it and had a disaster, this section is your lifeline. The key to retinol success isn't strength, it's strategy. And the smartest strategy? Start with encapsulated retinol that releases slowly throughout the night. This is like having a personal bodyguard for your skin cells. My top recommendation for beginners: Starla Resurfacing Retinol. Now, before you roll your eyes and think that's too basic, let me tell you about Jennifer. 51 years old, had tried 3 different premium retinols, all disasters. Her dermatologist wanted to put her on prescription tretinoin, but she was terrified after her previous experiences. I convinced her to try the Sarvi for just 1 month. You guys, the transformation was incredible. Not only did she tolerate it perfectly, but her skin texture improved. Her fine lines softened and her dark spots started fading. She's been using it for 8 months now and looks 10 years younger. But here's the secret sauce. It's not just the encapsulated retinol. This formula has licorice extract and niacinamide, which are like having a repair crew working alongside the retinol. Plus ceramides to protect your skin barrier while the retinol does its magic. It tells you something about the quality. It uses microdose technology, tiny amounts released over time with peptides for extra anti-aging power. The bottom line: start gentle, start smart, and let your skin build tolerance naturally. Now this is where things get really exciting because I'm about to solve problems you didn't even know you had. Let's talk about the specialized retinol solutions that are going to change your entire skincare game. First up, dry skin retinols. If you have dry or sensitive skin, traditional retinols can feel like putting acid on your face. But here's what most people don't know. You can get all the benefits of retinol in a moisturizing vehicle. Game changer. Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream with Retinol is my secret weapon for dry skin clients. One client, Patricia, 45, had given up on retinol completely because everything made her skin feel like sandpaper. After just 6 weeks with this cream, she called me crying happy tears. Because her skin was plump, hydrated, and her wrinkles were disappearing. But let's talk about the area everyone neglects: your body. Ladies, if you're using retinol on your face but ignoring your neck, chest, and hands, you're making a massive mistake. Sun damage doesn't stop at your jawline. Here's my body retinol revelation. Versed Press Restart Gentle Retinol Body Lotion. 6 ounces of pure anti-aging power for less than most face serums cost. I had a client who was getting expensive neck treatments at a med spa, spending thousands. 2 months with this body retinol and her creepy neck skin was dramatically improved. And for my acne fighters, this is crucial. Adapalene is hands down the most effective over-the-counter retinoid for breakouts. It was prescription only until recently, and it's been proven as effective as tretinoin for acne. Rachel, 34, still dealing with adult acne, tried everything. Adapalene cleared her skin in 12 weeks. She went from hiding behind makeup to posting makeup-free selfies. The right retinol category isn't just about results, it's about confidence. Now, let's talk about the big guns. The premium retinols that are worth every penny. And the ones that are just expensive marketing tricks. Because trust me, there's a huge difference. For those of you who want maximum anti-aging results and can handle more potent formulations, I have two absolute powerhouses that consistently blow my mind. First, Paula's Choice 1% Retinol Treatment. This isn't just retinol. It's retinol with a PhD. They've loaded this formula with peptides, vitamin C, the stable kind that actually works, oat extract for soothing, and willow bark, which is where salicylic acid originally came from. It's like having an entire anti-aging laboratory in one bottle. I had a client, Susan, 52 years, who was considering cosmetic procedures. Her budget was $5,000 for treatments. I convinced her to try this retinol system for 6 months first. You guys, the results were so dramatic that she canceled her appointment. Her husband couldn't believe the transformation. Firmer skin, faded age spots, reduced fine lines. She saved thousands and looked better than the procedures could have achieved. But if you really want to go premium, Skin Better Science Alpharet is the Rolls-Royce of retinols. It combines retinol with glycolic acid and lactic acid. Basically professional-level exfoliation with anti-aging power. Yes, it's expensive, and yes, you might need to get it from a dermatologist's office. But the clinical studies behind this formula are incredible. The transformation stories with Alpharet read like testimonials for cosmetic surgery. Deep wrinkles softening, severe sun damage fading, skin texture becoming silk smooth. Here's my rule for premium retinols. If you're not seeing results with drugstore options after 3 months, it's time to level up. Your skin deserves the investment, and the results speak for themselves. All right, you guys, we've covered a lot of ground today.
Okay.
And I want to make sure you leave here with a clear action plan, because knowledge without action is just expensive entertainment. Here's your retinol success blueprint. First, identify your category. Are you a rookie, fighting acne, dealing with dry skin, neglecting your body, or ready for maximum anti-aging? Second, start with the appropriate strength and formulation for your skin type. Third, introduce it slowly. Every other night for the first 2 weeks, then gradually increase. Fourth, always use sunscreen during the day because retinol makes your skin more photosensitive. Most importantly, give it time. Retinol isn't magic, it's science. Real results take 8 to 12 weeks minimum. The clients I showed you today, they didn't see transformation overnight, but they stayed consistent. And look at them now. Remember Angela from the beginning? After we fixed her retinol routine with the right category and proper introduction, she sent me a photo 6 months later. Her skin was glowing, her confidence was back, and she looked younger than when she started her retinol journey. This is exactly why I created this channel, to give you the real truth about skincare that actually works. If this video helped you understand retinol better, smash that like button because it tells me you want more honest, science-based content like this. And listen, if you're serious about transforming your skin with proven methods that actually work, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm here every day with more game-changing skincare secrets that the industry doesn't want you to know. Your best skin is waiting. Let's make it happen together. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.